Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is going to be all about this gorgeous box I received. So this is the Look Fantastic and Sarah Chapman beauty box, and then did I mention it's a luxurious box right here, and it contains a lot of luxurious goodies. So originally all the products in this box would cost £184.50, but you'll be getting it for £70 on Look Fantastic. And then if you use my discount code, you would get £5 off it if you are a Look Fantastic subscriber. So if you're subscribed, you will get this box for £65 as opposed to getting it for £70. And then if you're not already subscribed to Look Fantastic beauty box, you should do so, because I will put a link down here as well that will enable you get some discount on your first subscription. That is if you subscribe to either 6 months or 12-month subscription. So now let's get straight into this lovely box. So truth be told, I have already gone through this box because I just couldn't resist the goodness, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the box looks like here. It's gorgeous, it's white, and in front it says Look Fantastic times Sarah Chapman London. And when you open it up, on the flap it says Skin, Science, Radiance, Confidence, Glow, Positivity. That's all a girl needs. So inside here you have this lovely wrap here, and then you have like 6 products in here, and then I'm going to go through this product for you guys because I took my time to go on their website, and then I got some information on this product and I tried some as well. So now the first product I'm going to be talking about is this one, the Skinesis Ultimate Cleanse. So this is an intelligent aromatic cleansing balm, and then I have used this one, and trust me when I say little goes a long way. You get 30 ml out of this, and then this would really go a long way, like I said, because you just need a little. So how to use: you massage all over the face and neck with water to transform to milk, and then you use a damp towel to wipe it off the face. And trust me, I did this, my face felt so good, and I totally loved how my face felt. So the next product I'll be talking about from this beauty box right here is the Sarah Chapman Skinesis Eye Recovery. So this is an eye cream, and it's peptide packed, and it's a smoothing eye cream. Half a pump goes a long way, and this is so creamy. It doesn't feel heavy under the eye. It feels so moisturizing. I used it last night and it felt so good, and I also used it today, and yeah, it felt so good. So this is one of my favorite products. So the next product I'll be talking about is the Sarah Chapman Skinesis Morning Facial. This is a day elixir. So this is what it looks like right here, and then it comes in an airtight container. The product in it would never lose its potency, because some products get to be less potent when they're exposed to air, to sunlight and everything, and this container is really dark. It's grayish. When you get to the last drop of this product, it will be potent. So it says. What this is it's a youth boosting elixir. It combines the benefit of treatment oils with the power of an active serum to recreate their signature post facial glow. So basically they're saying that when you use this, it would feel like you've just done facials, you've just done their signature facial. So I have tried this as well, and then trust me, I had to use 1 pump, and then 1 pump goes a long way. I used it on my whole entire face. I used it on my neck and then the rest of my chest, and then it totally sinks into the skin. It doesn't leave the skin feeling greasy, and then it has lots of goodness, lots of good oils and good stuff from vitamin A, rosehip oil. It has a lot, hydrosourcing, AM, PM, passion oil. It has loads of goodness in this. And then yeah, you use this under your cream. So this is a day elixir. What it also does is it maximizes radiance, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and restores plump and dewy and supple skin with the dynamic blend of 16 actives. So this is richness in this bottle, richness and goodness in this bottle right here. And the next product I'll be talking about is the overnight facial. This is a holy grail. This is amazing. Like, I totally fell in love with this product the first time I used it. It is, I don't even know how to explain it. So basically, this is their Skinesis overnight facial. It's a night elixir, and then it comes in 15 ml. The day one also comes in 15 ml. What this one does as well is that this is a cocktail of vitamins, omega oils, skin brighteners, antioxidants, peptides. So this is goodness in this bottle. So, and then it's said that when you use this in the morning, you would feel like you've done you did their signature facials, which, well, I haven't done their facials with them, but like when I used it last night, and in the morning when I woke up, my skin felt so plump. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to use this underneath your moisturizer. So what this does as well is that it plumps the skin, it reduces the appearance of fine lines, it firms, it smooths, it does every good thing like any good products will do on the skin, and it's for all skin types. And on their website, I noticed that this one, I think it's one of the products that has the highest reviews, and then like positive reviews, and yeah, a lot of people love this product. So the other product that's in here is their moisturizer. This is the Comfort Cream Distress. Yeah, so it's the Chapman Comfort Cream Distress. So it's a peptide filled moisturizer, so it's super moisturizing, and I've tried this as well. This one is equally good, and then it comes in 5 ml. So it's so cute. The container is so cute. The packaging is so cute. So the final product in here is this one. It's a tool. It's the Sculpting facial massager, and I'm yet to try this one, but it looks really interesting. And then it's said to mimic the fast tapping, pinching and knuckling massage technique. So this is what this is said to do. So you use it on your face, and the good thing about this is that on their website, like, you will see how to use these products. They have videos on how to use these products to guide you, and they are so, like, they're just luxurious. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. So if you've tried any of these products before in the past, do let me know in the comment section below. And then don't forget that I have discount codes for both like new subscribers and then for already existing subscribers in the description box below. And then if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, be sure to subscribe, and then I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.